Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use Books app on iPhone. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. The Books app on iPhone allows you to read, organize, and manage your digital books and PDFs. Here's how to use the Books app effectively. First method, tap on the Books app on your iPhone's home screen. You will see the Library tab at the bottom. Tap on it, which displays all your downloaded books and PDFs. Tap on the book cover to open it and start reading. The reading interface allows you to swipe left or right to turn pages. Tap in the middle to reveal the menus of the screen. Tap on the button on the bottom right corner to bring up the settings. Customize reading settings like font type, font size, background color, and margins by tapping the A icon. Navigation. Use the table of contents or scroll bar at the bottom to navigate through the chapters or pages. Next method, organizing books. Collections. Now, go back by tapping on the X icon. Tap on the library, and then collections. To organize books into categories like finished reading, favorites, or custom collections. Edit. Tap Edit in the top right corner to move, delete, or organize books within your library. Next method, searching for books. Use the search icon tab in the bottom bar to search for specific titles, authors, or keywords within your library or the bookstore. Another method, visit the bookstore. Tap to browse, purchase, and download books directly from Apple's bookstore. Categories. Browse books by categories, bestsellers, or recommendations. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.